Hi friends, in this session we'll start with chapter number 2, Structure of Atom, DPP. आप सभी के पास इसका PDF अवेलेबल है. So first question on your screen. Among the following, which represent the collection of isoelectronic species? Now isoelectronic species, the species has same electron in valence shell is known as isoelectronic species. Count कर लीजिए. Your answer is C, Calcutta. Question number 2. The compound in which the cation is isoelectronic with anion. Once again, cation is isoelectronic with anion. So Na plus plus Cl minus, Cs plus F minus, Na plus I minus, K plus and S minus 2. So अब सभी के वैलेंस शेल के अंदर के इलेक्ट्रॉन काउंट कर लीजिए. And I think D Delhi is your right answer just because K plus and S minus 2. K plus 19 minus 1 is 18 and S minus 2 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. So दोनों के केस के अंदर 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन हो रहे हैं, तो that's why D Delhi is your right answer. Third, numerical based on de Broglie's hypothesis. Given data सबसे पहले extract कर लीजिए, then apply de Broglie's hypothesis. That is mv is equal to h upon 2 pi r, or you can say that lambda is equal to 2 pi r. So for an electron in ground state, mvr is equal to h upon 2 pi, mv is equal to h upon 2 pi. Simplify this, what you get? You get lambda is equal to 2 pi r. So lambda is equal to 2 into pi into r. Put all this value, simplify कीजिए, multiplication कीजिए, and you get your answer. Question number 4 on your screen. The frequency of light emitted from n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 2 for the He plus is equal to the transition in H atom corresponding to this following. चार ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं. Prepare two equation. Equation number 1 for He plus and equation 2 for hydrogen. So our standard equation nu bar is equal to 1 upon lambda, that is Rydberg's constant z square into 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. So RH 2 square, why? Because He के लिए z हो जाएगा 2, 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon 4 square is equal to RH 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon 2 square. For hydrogen, nu bar is equal to 1 upon lambda RH into 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. सिंप्लीफाई दिस, दोनों को कंपेयर कर लीजिए. दोनों को कंपेयर करने से n1 and n2 पता चल जाएगा. n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to 2. Question number 5 on your screen. The first emission line in this atomic spectrum of hydrogen in Balmer series. So for Balmer series, n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 3. So nu is equal to RH into 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon 3 square. Your answer is D Delhi 5r upon 36. Question number 6 on your screen. In hydrogen atomic spectrum, a series limit is found to be blah blah blah. So let's start the solution. The series is limit the last line of the series, that is n2 is equal to infinite. Nu bar is equal to 1 upon lambda, that is Rydberg constant 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Simplify this. Nu bar is equal to 12186.3, that is in given. Rydberg constant is 109677.76 divided by n1 square. Make a form of n1 square. जैसे ही n1 square को इक्वेशन का फॉर्म बनाओगे, you get approximately 9. अंडर रूट निकाल लीजिए, you get 3. So the line belongs from the Paschen series. So that's why C, Calcutta is your right answer. Question number 7 on your screen. The two fast moving particles X and Y associate with this de Broglie wavelength 1 nanometer and 4 nanometer respectively. If the mass of X is 9 times to this mass of Y, the ratio of kinetic energy is. So de Broglie wavelength lambda is equal to h upon mv. So here in case we have a 2, so lambda 1 by lambda 2 is equal to m2 into v2 divided by m1 into v1. V2 by V1 को इक्वेशन का फॉर्म बना लीजिए, यू गेट 9/4, V1 by V2 is equal to 4/9, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So KE1 by KE2 is equal to m1 by m2 multiplied by V1 square divided by V2 square. So your answer is 16/9, that is D Delhi. Statement number 8 on your screen. The ratio of magnetic moment of Fe3 and CO3 is. So for the formula for magnetic moment is under root n into n plus 2. मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट फाइंड आउट करने का फॉर्मूला है अंडर रूट n इंटू n प्लस 2. अब Fe+3 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंफिगरेशन आर्गन कोर 3d5 मीन्स 5 अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो n की जगह पे 5 रख दीजिए. एंड CO2 आर्गन कोर 3d7 अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 3. सो मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट के इक्वेशन के अंदर 3 रख दीजिए. सो योर फाइनल आंसर इज अंडर रूट 7 is to अंडर रूट 3. Statement number 9. The values of Planck's constant is 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. The velocity of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8. Which value is closest to this wavelength in nanometer of a quantum light with the frequency is 8 into 10 to the power 15. न्यूमेरिकल बहुत ही इजी है. E is equal to h न्यू. न्यू की जगह पे hc अपॉन लैम्बडा, तो न्यू इज इक्वल टू c अपॉन लैम्बडा, मेक ए फॉर्म ऑफ लैम्बडा. You get your answer. खुद से ट्राई कर लीजिए. बी बॉम्बे इज योर राइट आंसर. Let's move on to this 10th one. Lithium and a proton are accelerated by the same potential. The de Broglie wavelength is lambda Li and lambda P. Have the ratio assumed to be this. Simplify this. Theoretical question है ये. So lambda P is equal to h upon under root 2e v mp and lambda Li is equal to h upon under root 2 into 3e v mli. Simplify करते जाइए, रेशियो ले लीजिए and your answer is 1 upon 3 under root 3. That is D Delhi is your right answer. Question number 11. Energy levels A, B, C of a certain atom correspond to this increasing value of energy, that is EA is less than to this EB is less than to this EC. If lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3 are the wavelength of this radiation corresponding, the transition from C to B, B to A and C to A respectively are as follows. The following statement is correct. कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सही है? इंटरेस्टिंग वन. ग्राफ चेक करना है और सिंपली याद रखिए EA is less than to this EB is less than to this EC. So your answer B बॉम्बे सही है. ग्राफ के ऊपर फोकस कीजिएगा. From the given data we can say that EC minus EB plus EB minus EA is equal to EC minus EA. Likewise E is equal to HC upon lambda. So HC upon lambda 1 plus HC upon lambda 2 is equal to HC upon lambda 3. Make a form of lambda 3 is equal to lambda 1 into lambda 2 divided by lambda 1 plus lambda 2. So B Bombay is your right answer. 12th, straight away numerical, बहुत ही easy. If the uncertainty in position and momentum are equal, then the uncertainty in velocity is. Heisenberg uncertainty principle, delta P into delta X greater than and equal to h upon 4 pi. Now delta P is equal to delta X. Then m delta V into m delta V, just because delta P is equal to delta X is equal to h upon 4 pi. Delta V square is equal to h upon 4 pi m square. Delta V को इक्वेशन का फॉर्म बना लीजिए, सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए. योर आंसर A अहमदाबाद इज योर राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. आपको क्वांटम नंबर के बेसिस के ऊपर 4 ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं. नाउ ढूंढना क्या है? ऑर्डर ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग द एनर्जी फ्रॉम द लोएस्ट टू हाईएस्ट. सो n plus n रूल फॉलो कीजिए. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट फर्स्ट हैविंग 4 plus 1 5, second having 4 plus 0 4, third having 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 4 having 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So your order is 4 is less than to this 2 less than to this 3 is less than to this 1. That is A Ahmedabad is your right answer. 14. The ionization energy of He plus is 19.6 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule per atom. The energy of first stationary set, that is N is equal to 1 of Li plus 2. Same to same available in your textbook. So your answer is B, Bombay. Question number 15. The kinetic energy of an electron in the second Bohr orbital of this hydrogen atom is, as per Bohr's postulate, mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi. So nu is equal to nh upon 2 pi m into r. Kinetic energy is nothing but half mv square. Put this value in above equation. Since r is equal to a0 into n square divided by z. Second के लिए n is equal to 2 हो जाएगा, तो that is 2 square divided by 1. So your answer final becomes h square upon 32 pi square m a0 square. That is C, Calcutta is your right answer. Question number 16 on your screen. You are given E is equal to minus 2.178 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule z square upon n square. Wavelength of this light required to excite an electron in hydrogen atom, that is N is equal to 1 to N is equal to 2. Your option on your screen. So delta E is equal to 2.178 into 10 to the power minus 18, 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon 2 square is equal to hc upon lambda. Make a form of lambda. Multiply कीजिए, divide कीजिए, and your final answer is 1.214 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. That is A Ahmedabad. 17, 18 and 19. Almost there from your textbook. 17 is C, Calcutta. 18 formula is E, N is equal to 13.6 divided by N square into EV. So your 18 is answer A. Once again, 17 is C, Calcutta, 18 is A, Ahmedabad, and 19 is B, Bombay. Once again, isoelectronic species है, आप count कर सकते हो, और answer है B, Bombay. So let's start with the 20th. Statement of the 20th. The ionization enthalpy of hydrogen atom is 1.312 into 10 to the power 6. The energy required to excite electron in the atom from n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 2 is, so E2 is equal to minus 1.312 into 10 to the power 6, 1 square divided by 2 square. Simplify. E1 is equal to minus 1.312 into 10 to the power 6. So delta E is nothing but E2 minus E1. Simplify कीजिए, and your answer is 9.84 into 10 to the power 5, means D Delhi is your right answer. 21 on your screen. The limiting line in Balmer series will have a frequency of, so nu bar is equal to 1 upon lambda is nothing but Rydberg's constant into Z, 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. N1 is equal to 2 for Balmer series and N2 is equal to 3, 4, 5 and so on. So here in case limiting line of shortest wavelength, so where N2 is equal to infinite. So nu bar is equal to 1 upon lambda, that is RH upon N1 square. N1 square means 2 square. Simplify and your answer is A, Ahmedabad. 22 and 23. बहुत इजी आप लोगों के लिए छोड़ रहा हूं. 22 is D Delhi and 23 is B Bombay. आप खुद से भी ट्राई कर सकते हो, आपको इजीली पता चल जाएगा. Let's start with the 24. If the radius of this first orbit of hydrogen atom is A0, the de Broglie wavelength of an electron in third orbit is, 24. Formula is Rn is equal to A0 into n square. R is equal to A0. Third orbit means 3 square, that is 9A0. Now, as we are aware about it, that is M nu R is equal to NH upon 2 lambda. MV is equal to NH upon 2 pi R. So finally, lambda is equal to 6 pi A0. That is C Calcutta is your right answer. 25th, you are given a 4 graph. L is equal to 2 के लिए कौन सा ग्राफ सही है? तो that is C Calcutta is your right answer. 26. If the kinetic energy of an electron is increased 4 times, wavelength of this de Broglie wavelength associated with it would be. So de Broglie equation, lambda is equal to h upon mv. Now kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Make a form of v. V square is equal to 2 kinetic energy by m. V is equal to under root 2 ke by m. Now put this value in above equation number 1. ये v की वैल्यू उठा के इक्वेशन नंबर 1 के अंदर डाल दीजिए, सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए और सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए एंड फाइनल lambda is proportional to 1 upon kinetic energy, means when kinetic energy becomes 4 times, wavelength becomes half. B Bombay is your right answer. Question number 27 on your screen. The correct sets of 4 quantum number for the valence electron of rubidium atom, that is Z is equal to 37, is. So your answer is A Ahmedabad. Why? Just because electronic configuration of rubidium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6 and 5s1. Last electron कहाँ पे? 5s1. So that's why n is equal to 5. Then L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0, S is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Question number 28 on your screen. If lambda 0 and lambda be the threshold wavelength and wavelength of this incident light, the velocity of photoelectron ejected from this metal surface is. So let's start. The kinetic energy of an ejected electron is given by h nu is equal to h nu 0 plus half mv square. Nu is equal to c upon lambda. Simplify. Half mv square is equal to hc upon lambda minus hc upon lambda 0. So simplify और simplify करते जाइए. So you get your final answer. That is C Calcutta is your right answer. 29 on your screen. If M and E, the mass and charge of revolving electron in the orbit radius of r of a hydrogen atom, the total energy of this revolving electron will be. So बहुत easy है. Answer is D Delhi. Last, 30th, the dissociation energy of H2 is this. If the hydrogen dissociate by illuminating radiation is 253.7 nanometer, then percentage of kinetic energy आपको ढूंढना है. So E is equal to N0 into H nu, N0 into H into C. Nu is equal to C upon lambda. So that is Avogadro number multiplied by Planck's constant multiplied by velocity of light divided by lambda is given, that is 253.7 nanometer, means 10 to the power minus 9. So you get one energy. Now take a difference. Simplify. H nu is equal to H nu 0 minus plus half mv square. So half mv square is equal to H nu minus H nu 0. Minus कर लीजिए, simplify कीजिए and your answer is 8.76, means B Bombay is your right answer. So this is all about your chapter number 2, structure of atom, DPP. Thank you so much.